Cleaning laser device, a compact and convenient solution for nail fungus. This new model utilizes UV light, blue light, cold laser therapy for quick and effective treatment. In just 7 minutes, get rid of cloudy, thickened, brittle, and discolored nails. With 360-degree sterilization and independent inspection warehouse, the device ensures a hygienic experience. Its humanized design allows for simultaneous treatment of both hands and feet. The device is adjustable to fit all toenails and uses 470nm blue light and 980nm cold laser for electronic causes, providing a painless and saliva-free treatment. Compact and easy to use, it applies 270nm UV light for disinfection when the warehouse closed. Regain your confidence with our nail cleaning laser device and showcase your beautiful, healthy nails.